Now the next theorem is let K by F be a field extension an element A belonging to K is algebraic over F if and only if F is finite. अब इस थ्योरम को प्रूव करने के लिए पहले हम कुछ डेफिनेशंस को समझेंगे. फर्स्ट, सपोज F इज फील्ड and K is field extension of F. Or K by F. V symbol is K by F. If A belongs to K, then FA is the smallest subfield of K containing F and A both. We call FA is the subfield obtained by adjoining A to F. Now second terminology is A belongs to K is algebraic over F if there exists non-zero polynomial Px belongs to Fx such that Pa is equal to 0. Now third is FAF. This is the dimension of FA over F. जिस सिमिलर वे में हम लिखते हैं K by F. दिस इज ए डायमेंशन ऑफ K over F, where K is a field extension of F. Here FA is the field extension of F. Now fourth one is the basic homomorphism for field theory. Phi A Fx to K where phi A पंखा कम कर phi A is A naught plus A1x plus a2x plus anx n this square is equal to a naught plus a1a plus a2a square plus an and a belongs to k. Then phi a is homomorphism of fx into k. Now fifth is by the fundamental theorem of ring homomorphism. Every homomorphic image is isomorphic to some every homomorphic image of ring R is isomorphic to some quotient ring such that suppose f is R to R dash and k is kernel of homomorphism f. Then f R is isomorphic to R k where k is a kernel of f. Now algebraic field extension. Now 6th point is algebraic field extension. Let k by f be a field extension and let a belongs to k where a is not equal to 0 and is algebraic. A is algebraic over f, then there exists a irreducible polynomial px belonging to fx such that pa is equal to 0. Then a is called the algebraic over f. यदि k के सारे एलिमेंट्स algebraic हो तो हम कहते हैं k is a algebraic field extension. Now 7th is suppose V is a vector space over f and v1, v2, vn is said to be linearly dependent if there exist ai belonging to f I1 to n not all 0 such that a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 plus an bn is equal to 0. Now thank you.